Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I will show you how to modify this car from the previous video, which we assembled before. Link for this video I will leave on the description for this video. Let's start. For this modification we will need 2 pulleys and one simple DC motor with battery from disposable cigarette. This pulley, bigger one, I'm going to attach here to the shaft. I also make a little bit here support for this frame, and now we can install motor with the battery.